Welcome to Simple Investing Secrets. In today's video, we'll review the 3 best undervalued Warren Buffett stocks to buy in 2023. So before we start, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for weekly updates. Let's get started. The Oracle of Omaha, Warren Buffett, is one of the most successful investors of our time. So, it just makes sense to track some of the best Buffett stocks to buy. In addition, his company, Berkshire Hathaway, holds a well-diversified portfolio of stocks, many of which are often hand-picked by Warren Buffett himself. After all, Buffett is known for investing in quality companies with strong brands, good management, and solid financials. In this video, we will take a look at the 3 undervalued stocks in Berkshire Hathaway's portfolio, as listed in the company's most recent 13F filing with the US SEC. These undervalued Buffett stocks offer a glimpse into the types of companies that interest Buffett. Let's review our list. Number 3. Apple, ticker, AAPL. Apple is a no-brainer because it is Berkshire Hathaway's biggest holding and a well-known company with a history of success and a bright future. Berkshire owns a lot of this stock because 38.3% of its portfolio is made up of Apple. This shows that Buffett is confident in Apple's ability to continue delivering solid results and is willing to bet big on the stock. For investors looking for a blue-chip stock with a growth history, Apple is definitely worth considering. Even when there were short-term problems, the tech giant always did better than the market. It is now one of the largest companies in the world by market capitalization. Its product lineup and closed-loop system, which includes products such as the iPhone, iPad, Mac, and Apple Watch, have helped it establish a loyal customer base and strong brand recognition. The company also generates much of its revenue from wealthier customers, who are less affected by inflationary pressures. This is why Apple's top line grew at an 8.14% clip and its profits grew despite margins declining by 6.73%. Number 2. Stone Co., ticker, STNE. Stone Co. is a Brazilian financial technology company that offers digital solutions to small and medium-sized businesses, making it easier for them to manage their financials, receive payments, and run their operations. The company's success can be attributed to its focus on serving the underserved and emerging markets in Brazil, which traditional financial institutions have largely ignored. The company is among the fastest growing in the fintech sphere, with its revenue growing 70% year-on-year last quarter and profits growing at 94%. Even more impressively, its profit margin more than doubled from the past year's period in Q3 2022, beating most expectations. These metrics have slowed, but STNE stock is still trading nearly 90% below its peak. We see it as highly oversold in this range. Considering the long-term outlook, STNE is a great place to start, and I'm sure it will go up as exchange rates stabilize and these metrics get even better. Number 1. Snowflake, ticker, SNOW. Almost all technology companies with a cloud segment are reporting a boom. Companies like Amazon, Microsoft, and IBM are seeing their cloud segment not only outgrow other segments but become their primary growth driver. This may appear to be fantastic news for a cloud computing pure play like Snowflake. But unfortunately, the stock is down 60% from its high. Wall Street has justifiable reasons for being bearish on the stock for the past year. However, the perspective of Snow stock is slowly shifting, and the stock is gearing up for a recovery. Snowflake's growth is decelerating, but its financials are consistently improving and beating expectations. If the same trend keeps going, the company's losses will probably shrink by a lot in a few quarters. That should compel a much higher premium. This concludes our list of the 3 best undervalued Buffett stocks to buy in 2023. Before putting your hard-earned money into buying stocks or investing in the market, you should always do your research. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for weekly updates on the best stocks to buy and cutting-edge investment strategies for building wealth. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your investments.